that sucks. Step 2. Take the plastic wrap, rub popcorn. Right off. Step 3. Take the door to your microwave and open. Step 4. Take your popcorn and put it in the microwave. Step 5. Close the door to your microwave. Step 6. Press the popcorn button on your microwave. If you don't have one, sucks for you. No, just kidding. There should be instructions on either the popcorn thing or like the box. Step 7. Let your popcorn pop in the microwave. Warning, stand in front of the microwave if you get cancer. Step 8. Open the door to your microwave and take out the popcorn. I can catch it! Step 9. Open the bag to the popcorn. Step 10. Enjoy. Step 11. Sucks. You have to clamp the popcorn down the floor. Parents